God, Jesus, that was a dairy explosion. Where did one crumpet go?
You ate it.
Oh. Hi, today we're going to make crumpets. I like my crumpets a little bit bigger than your standard crumpet. I like a nice big crumpet. First thing we're going to do is get the yeast going. So we're going to get our room temperature or warm milk, 150 mils of water, a little knob of butter. God, Jesus, that was a dairy explosion. 1 teaspoon of sugar, bit of salt, 1 teaspoon ishki, there you go. And into that we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of yeast. And we're going to give that a bit of a swirly. We're going to leave that for 5-10 minutes. That's just going to rehydrate the yeast, get it going, away we go. If you're using fresh yeast, you don't have to do this step, you can just bung it all in straight away. Now we're going to bung everything in this food processor and blast the hell out of it until it's all really well combined in kind of like a slurry. Then we're going to leave it to double in size. It takes about 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. It's doubled in size. And if you look closely at it, it's got loads of tiny little bubbles in it. And that's what you want to see. All those bubbles are going to end up as the big bubbles in your crumpet later on. And everybody likes a bubbly crumpet. Okay, so now what we're going to do to give it even more bubbles is add some bicarbonate of soda. This is going to give it a bit of an extra oomph. So before we add it, we're going to dissolve it in a little bit of water. And you need about 1/2 teaspoon. You add that straight in and then give it a whiz. Now we're going to walk away from it. Another 10-20 minutes. It's going to come up again. And then we're going to cook some crumpets. Okay, it's been like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It's gone gangbusters. It's miles up here now. Loads and loads of bubbles from the bicarb doing its thing. So now we're going to cook the crumpets. You need a nice hot pan, not cooking hot, just, you know, medium heat. You want to make sure your pan is lightly oiled, not really oiled. You don't want to fry your crumpet. You just want enough oil so nothing sticks. And also really important to oil your ramekins. Otherwise your crumpet's going to stick to your, I don't even know if they're called ramekins. Your round things. Your crumpet will stick to your round things. And you don't want that to happen. Okay, leave them in there. They're going to heat up as well. It's nice and they're a little bit warm. Yeah, pan's hot. Okay, the best thing about doing it in a food processor is the fact that you can pour it straight out the food processor. Less washing up. Whee! Oh no, I slipped. That's it. Don't fill your ramekin all the way up. You want it about halfway up. They're going to expand a little bit. And don't be in a rush to cook them. When you start to see the bubbles come through on the top from the bottom, you know it's nearly time to flip them. Once you flip them, they don't take very long on the other side. Nearly ready. If you don't cook them quite enough, they can end up a little doughy in the middle, so you want to feel a bit of springiness when you push on them. Oh yeah, I think we're there. I think we're there. Oh man, I get so excited about crumpets, honest. Woo. I always burn my fingers doing this because I want the crumpet. Yeah. Look at ya. Lovely crumpet, yeah. Woo. Look at that.